Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by signing into the account where search history deletion is blocked. Doing so ensures you can change account-level controls. Once signed in, make sure device sync and browser permissions are active, because blocked deletions often stem from disabled sync. Now open Settings and navigate to Privacy or Search History controls. That brings you to the exact toggles you need. Make sure to keep the account and device consistent while you progress so changes apply immediately and avoid confusion. Once in the privacy area, look for retention rules, supervised account flags, or managed policy toggles. These commonly block deletion. You should disable any prevent deletion option or remove supervision temporarily, because deleting without lifting restrictions will fail. After adjustments, choose the proper time range. Last hour, last 7 days, all time, and confirm delete or clear. If the option is grayed out, check any linked family, enterprise, or parental controls, and remove them before retrying to ensure the delete. You finish by verifying the history is gone on the originating device and on synced devices, because sync confirms true deletion across platforms. Once confirmed, re-enable protections you want, like parental filters or safe search, but leave deletion permissions open. If deletion still fails, sign out and sign back in, check for managed device policies, or reset the browser profile. These steps clear stubborn caches or policy locks. One key tip: examine any enterprise or parental control dashboard. It often reapplies blocks you need to remove.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.